Well, hey guys, Russianapocalypse, and today I am unboxing Alienware tactx keyboard, and just really quickly, I'm going to show you guys the most important things about like this piece of shit. Of course, we have the software disk. What would this be without the keyboard, obviously. It's pretty nice size. Alright, let's just awkwardly unbox this. In a very weird position. Alright. It comes with dual USBs, one for the light, and one for, of course, the lighting. That's the main reason I got it, because that's pretty pimp daddy. You see, dual. You can use it without the lights, but I'm going to use it with it. And it comes, of course, with palm rest. Alright, so that's about everything that's in the box. So let's just test it out real quick. Get this piece of shit stuff off. Unnecessary bandaging. It's cold. God damn it. Hate these things now. It's official. It is official. Alright, there we go. So it's 6-foot wire. And let's just take off this palm rest right away here, because that's pretty pimp daddy. And right away I notice a very sort of glossy, nice and glossy finish. It's very shiny, looking really good. And as I slowly unwrap this, I just like orgasmed from the alien head and all the other amazing, great features about this keyboard. Alright, well, first thing I notice is it's not really heavy. It's pretty light compared to my other one. It's lighter, you know. It's pretty good. The feel of it feels just yeah, you know, it's very comfortable. Comes with the gaming switch, which is right there. You know, it's right here, you know, just on and off. Pretty, I don't know what this is, but it feels nice. The mute button, very nice. I enjoy how they did not downgrade the space button, because it, you know, it's necessary. Backspace, everyone makes mistakes. They go down nice and easy. As you can see, it's a little quieter than other keyboards. It's very nice. Of course, on the WASD keys, you can see the alien markings, which is pretty pimp daddy, if you ask me. And of course, the media controls on the top, and the caps lock, num lock, and the whatever controls are here. And you know, the disc, blah blah whatever. So you know, thanks for watching, guys, and if you're gonna get a new keyboard, just go ahead and get this pimp daddy Alienware. Peace. Alright, hey guys, Russianapocalypse, and you know, why am I doing the intro again? God damn it. Well, yeah, right now It is an unnecessary amount of time at night right now. So I'm just going to be showing you some of the cool features about this. Already it looks pretty boss status. I'll have it red and blue. There's 2 zones, you know, only 2 zones, not that bad for this price. So let's see this. Let's do something like this. And as you can see, it changed pretty fast. I'll tell you right now. Alright, applying 1, 2, 3. So it basically takes like a couple seconds. Alright, applying in 1, 2, 3. And you know, it takes 2 seconds, 3 seconds. It is beautiful. It is pretty bright for a keyboard, you know, it's pretty nicely well lit. This is black. Still pretty boss, but I don't know. I like it looking like this. This looks pretty nice, Christmas colors. Also, you can change them both at the same time, such as like that, and then like that, and then like that. As you can see, the color changing is pretty fast for both. It looks really nice. I was going with, let's see, I was going with this. I'm pretty sure, I think. I don't even know. This is just really good looking. And then let's just say the controls are red. There we go. Looks pretty nice, and you know, at night it's you know, you can definitely see all the keys. Very comfortable, and I highly suggest this keyboard. And you know, thanks for watching. This was Russianapocalypse, and you know, check this keyboard out.